Thank you. Hi guys. Ho ho ho. Red is red. Hey, look at the red guys. Hey, one more.
Somebody's got to be a Red Wings fan. You know what I mean?
Does that mean you guys are rednecks? I got some terror. Hey, let's go.